Okay, hello there again. We're gonna do another challenge, and check out the challenge I did last time and tell me if you like it in the comments, and yeah, and like the video if you enjoy it too. So we're gonna be doing this challenge to create relationships for the offer object, and I'm gonna read this. The object you created for the previous challenge is pretty handy. Imagine how much more useful it would be if brokers could specify which client made an offer and which property the client wants to buy. Add two relationships to the offer object so brokers can capture this data in Salesforce. Create a master detail relationship with the property object and look up a relationship with the contact object. Now that's a lot, and we're just gonna just do what this says. So it says, before you start, create the property object as described in the previous unit. But we already did that before, like we already have it, and you can go check it if you want, but I'm just gonna do the next things. So on the after offer object, add a master detail relationship to the property object named properties. So we're gonna launch. And come on, just wait. And we're gonna go to setup and click object manager. And now we're gonna go to property. No, wait, to the offer object. To the offer object. Offer. And we're gonna go to here. And it says to go to fields and make a new one. And it said master detail relationship. So while it's loading, I'm gonna check. So it's gonna be named property. Oh, it's gonna be property. And you have to choose property on like that pick list. You get it? Yeah. And it's already named property for us. So the description doesn't really matter because it doesn't say you have to put stuff in all description. And it says on the after item to the project name property. And we don't really need to care about this. Let's just click next. And now it's already all visible, so you can just click next. And that doesn't matter too. And yeah, that's right. Save. And now we have a property object. Now we just have to make another one on the offer object, and it's gonna be a lookup relationship to the contact object named contact. So to the contact object this time. So now we're gonna make another one. And we're gonna do the lookup relationship. It's right above the master detail relationship. So then there. And we just click next. And now we have to set it to the contact, as it said over there, contact, not contract. And now it's already contact like that. And then after that, you click visible to see all of them. To let everyone see it. And you click next. Then you click save. And now it's saved. Where is it? Yeah, this one, contact. And now we go here. Says, and we already did all that. So now we have to check the challenge to earn 500 points and see if it worked. So just let it take its time. And yeah, let's see.
2 hours later.
And after this, I'm gonna have to make another video about pets, like how pets could be an object in Salesforce. And I hope you enjoyed, and that was really easy. And yeah, so check out the next video of me explaining what you can do with pets and how it can be with the master detail relationship and lookup. So I'll see you in the next one.